What's up, guys? Dr. Chancing here with Ground Overhead PT. Welcome to your daily body armor with Tank. Today, we're going to be talking about your inability to get your toes to the bar, right? Or maybe it's your inability to do an L-sit, or inability to do anything core that actually causes you to have to flex through that spine, contract the abs, pull those ribs down, right? Hollow out that spine, hollow out that back, right? And you might struggle with all those things. You might struggle with the ability to keep your low back down during a hollow hold or a dead bug, right? And guys, this impacts your ability to perform the way that you need to in the gym. Think JC sit-ups, think toe to bar, think anything with bracing the middle line, think legless rope climbs. Just a ton of middle line core work in those. And everything else we do, right? We do a ton of core work and everything involves the core. So guys, what I'm gonna have you do is you're gonna sit down on the ground, okay? You're gonna put your hands down on the ground by the knees. You're gonna press the hands down into the ground, and you're gonna lift the legs, okay? So I don't want you leaning back, right? That's why we have our hands by our knees. You're gonna press down hard. Keep the legs straight. Lift up the legs together so you're essentially doing like a seated pike. Okay? Guys, you'll feel your hamstrings, you'll feel your abs absolutely screaming here. Keep the knees straight. If you bend the knees, you're cheating. I know you're not a cheater. We don't cheat in CrossFit. If you cheat, call out your friend. Or if your friend cheats, go ahead and call them out because, you're cheating, right? And we don't cut reps and make things easier in the CrossFit gym or in any gym or in life in general. So guys, hands on the ground, right by the knees, squeeze, contract, lift, get the abs working, work on this over time, see your toes to the bar improve, see your L-sit improve, and see your back discomfort decrease. So Dr. Chancini, Ground Overhead PT, see you tomorrow.